everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Mocha Bombshell. Today I'm going to be doing a first impression slash basically a first impressions of this new wig that I got from Aliexpress. Now if you want to know more or hear how I feel about this wig so far, then just keep watching. But first, before we move forward, go ahead and hit that notification bell in the corner so you can be updated with all of my latest videos, and don't forget to subscribe. So jumping right into it, I got this wig from Dream Beauty on Aliexpress, and let me just say, finding a wig that's already ombre or bleached on Aliexpress, like finding a review for it on YouTube is so draining because I wasn't able to really find anything. So I took a leap of faith here and ordered from this company called Dream Beauty. Here's the package that it came in with care instructions on the back. I ordered this wig. It is a lace frontal wig. It was already pre-plucked, pre-bleached. I mean, I didn't have to do anything to this wig. It came with combs on the inside, and this is 26 inches. I believe the density is 130. The pros about this wig so far, I've had it in for about a week now. It's really soft, really bouncy, full of body. Again, I didn't have to do anything to this wig. I went ahead and just installed it. I got my hair braided down, used the combs on the inside to place it, and then just used some ghost bonds to glue the front. Teased my baby hair a little bit. But again, I didn't have to do much to this wig. The only con so far is I wish it was a little bit thicker. I mean, it's a nice natural density. It doesn't look too thin. Again, it's 26 inches. I believe it's really cute. It doesn't look too thin, but it could be a little bit thicker. So I may add some tracks later on, maybe not. I'm really loving it right now though. Again, it's been a whole week and I'm still loving it. First, I wasn't sure about it, and then, I don't know. It grew on me, and yeah, then bae. You say you like my wig?
Yes, I love your wig, sweetheart. It's very beautiful. At first, I didn't like it, but now, like you say, it grew on you. It kind of grew on me too.
You sound fake.
I know.
Why? Why? Anyway, bae said he like it. I like it. So the true test is going to be whether or not this can hold up for at least a month. That will tell me, you know, if it's really a good quality wig. If you want to see the update, just stay tuned to my channel. Make sure you have that notification bell on so that you can see it when it uploads. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope this helped. Thumbs up if you do like it. Leave me a comment down below if you've bought from this company before. I will leave the link to the wig in the description box. And again, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.